Islamic finance has emerged as an effective tool for financing development worldwide, including non-Muslim countries. Major financial markets are discovering solid evidence that Islamic finance has already been mainstreamed within the global financial system. Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammed. Let us recap some key developments and stories for February 2024. We commence with the story that the Nigerian incentive-based risk-sharing system for agricultural lending team, led by the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, Abbas Umar Masanawa, OON, visited Taj Bank to discuss the potential of leveraging the risk Sharia-compliant financing instruments to boost agricultural productivity in rural Nigeria. Nirsal and Taj Bank are exploring ways to attract diverse private sector investors to play in an agricultural sector that is safe, secure, and profitable. Still on agriculture, the Alternative Bank recently visited two prominent agribusinesses, AgroTrader Limited and John Vance Industries Limited. The Alternative Bank is actively instigating transformation within the sector, capitalizing on opportunities for mutual advantage and sustainable growth. Now to our next story. It was a historic moment at the 37th Africa Union Summit as Islamic Development Bank participated for the first time as an observer. It was an opportunity for ISDB to reiterate its unwavering commitment to supporting Africa's Agenda 2063 for sustainable development. With 27 African member countries and community outreach in non-member countries, ISDB is deeply invested in Africa's future. According to President Mohammed Al-Jasser of ISDB, I look forward to collaborating closely with African Union leadership to strengthen partnerships and contribute to driving real change towards inclusive and sustainable economic growth across the continent. The Nairobi Securities Exchange listed lender, Absa, announced that it is looking to tap into the growing Islamic banking in the country with its new flagship Lariba Center. This is the second store in a span of 2 weeks that the lender has opened after venturing into China. In its global footprint expansion, while this branch will serve all customers in the populous Eastlake area, it will also become Absa's flagship Lariba Center, providing Sharia banking solutions to the customers. We go on a break, and when we return, you will get further updates. Welcome back. Here is the Fact Box segment. According to recent research by the international rating agency Fitch Ratings, Nigeria, home to Africa's largest Muslim population, is the largest sukuk market in Africa with 755.5 billion naira in outstanding securities, according to Fitch Ratings. Now on the global scene, the Islamic Coin joined other sponsors to host the first annual Islamic FinTech Pitching Competition, which brought together innovators and pioneers worldwide. It featured a panel session that discussed blockchain, markets, innovations, futures. Dubai Islamic Bank, an Islamic bank in the United Arab Emirates and the first in the world, recently launched Shams credit card in partnership with Visa. The Shams Visa credit card is tailored to cater to diverse needs, especially to the affluent and emerging affluent segment. The card goes beyond rewards, offering a comprehensive suite of daily relevance and lifestyle benefits, including 5% bank on dining spends, 5% bank on travel expenditures, complimentary fitness first access, Costa Coffee, golf rounds, valet parking, and many more benefits. According to the Islamic Finance Development Indicator, Bahrain topped the global ranking for non-interest finance markets regulations in 2022. The Islamic Cooperation jointly launched a report for the development of the private sector, the private sector development arm of the Islamic Development Bank Group and the London Stock Exchange Group, a provider of financial markets and infrastructure. The findings of the report were driven by the analysis of statistics from 136 countries around the world, compared across 5 indicators, namely financial performance, governance, knowledge, sustainability, and awareness. And that will be all on Islamic Finance Weekly today. Don't forget to keep it to date with us next week on the program. Follow us on all our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching. I am Rahma Say Muhammed.